You, my friend, are the same way that Belushi was. And it's a matter of time before your body gives out on you and you end up in the same way. He died at what, 33 years old?
David Matthew Freeze.
Come up, Mr. Freeze.
Judge, he turned himself in to Montgomery County because he's on dual probation up there. And he went to Montgomery County, he turned himself in. And while he was in custody there, that's when the motions to adjudicate for here were filed. He did, prior to him going into custody in September 6th, he tested positive for methamphetamine.
Mr. Freeze has been testing positive for methamphetamine. And
He would test negative today if you were to test it.
I'm sending you now for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. I've told you not to use, and I've repeatedly told you not to pick up theft cases, Mr. Freeze, and you're on.
He didn't pick up any theft cases, Judge. What he did is he had a motion to adjudicate in Montgomery County. He knew that. He turned himself in. He called his probation officer, told him he was turning himself in, and he had to do 180 days there, and he's no longer on probation in Montgomery County.
Can you run an NCAC on Mr. Freeze to see what, if anything, is open, please?
Yes, Judge.
This is a really sad case, Mr. Freeze.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to just move on. Like, I'm trying to go to trade school, so I'm here just trying to get this over with, to be honest with you, sir.
One reason, and one reason only, for all of the 15 to 20 theft cases you have now. And
drugs.
He's aware.
that
He's had 11 arrests in total, Judge. The burglary of the building, that's what he had the adjudication on.
Yes.
So it doesn't look like there's anything else, Judge.
so when did he pick up the burglar of a building? While he's on probation here?
No, that was before he was put on probation here.
We put him on probation in 21.
He had the burglary building up there prior to being put on probation here.
From what I could see, he got placed on probation in June 2nd, 2022. He picked up a possession charge on May 15th, 2021, but it wasn't filed until August 8th, 2023. And then he did the 180 days in Montgomery County for that. That's all.
You know, Mr. Freeze, let me enlighten you with something. You know, do you know who John Belushi is?
Yes, sir, I do.
John Belushi was just one of the just pinnacle actors in the 70s. And that dude was freaking a genius. And one of the biggest things that he had, and one of the biggest problems he had, was the dude partied like a freaking animal. And what he was doing was just
Everything.
the kind of dope that he was doing would kill a small farm animal. You know, you, my friend, are the same way that Belushi was. And it's a matter of time before your body gives out on you and you end up in the same way. He died at what, 33 years old, right? Give or take. How old are you now?
28.
28 years old, and you're not a spring chicken anymore, and you don't look like you're in the best of shape. Your body can only put up with so much. And if you continue with the lifestyle that you've led for the past 4 years, your body is going to give out when you're 30 years old.
I can already feel it. Yes, sir.
So you need to make a complete and utter lifestyle change before you die, because you're headed the same way John Belushi is right now.
That's the road I'm trying to go down. I'm trying to change. Yes, sir.
It's mind over matter.
And I will. Yes, sir.
The other problem is that it's very tough to believe you because when people are using, they are the best actors in the entire world. They'll sell you the sun, the moon, and the stars and tell you that the sky's purple and have you believe in it. So
Agree.
what you tell me goes in this year and goes out that year because I have extensive experience with you. So Carl, what we're going to do now is I'm sending in for a drug test.
Good job.
Okay. I want to come back on Monday. I'm not letting you go. Not one iota. And if I have to put you in a treatment facility, I'll do it in a heartbeat to get you to stop. But you are going to stop. And if it means me keeping you on probation for another 3 years, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat.
I understand,
Do
sir.
you understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'm sending in for a drug test now. It's kind of late, so we'll come back on Monday. And then we'll go and see where we head from. Are you working now?
Actually, so I have an offer letter for Monday. My first job is Monday, I could show you. Or my first day of work is Monday. I have an offer letter on my phone, I could show you. So,
Doing what?
cleaning pools as a repair technician, so.
Going to work at Pool Tech as a,
And I have official offer letter on my phone that I can provide if you need to see it. But Monday is my first day of work.
next Friday.
Oh, no, we don't do cases on Friday. What days do you have off?
As of right now, I'm not sure, but because like I said, Monday is my first day of work, but I work Monday through Friday. But if I have to take a day off, I'll tell them.
If you're using, it's just not gonna go well.
Oh, well, I have to pass a drug test to get this job, so I'm confident that yes, sir, I understand.
So let's do this. I'm gonna set the case for Monday because I want to know what the drug test is gonna show.
Okay.
If you're positive, then I'm gonna need to talk to you.
Understand.
Okay, if it's negative, then, I'll give it, sometime in the week that we'll need to talk to him.
Yes, sir.
You need to speak to your employer. to
I'm
see
gonna call him
what
as soon as I get out of
Have
here.
off so that you can come in and speak with us so we
Monday,
can
but his appearance is Wade Monday.
figure out pending the drug test. I need to
Negative,
know.
then he doesn't have to be here.
Right, for now, it's waived, depending on what the drug test says. If it's positive, I'm gonna need it.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you. Honor.
Okay?
Good.
thank you, sir.
Come up, Mr. Freeze. Carl,
Yes,
Mr. Freeze was negative.
I know. He said he would be.
Okay, but a lot of people tell me that. A lot of
Oh, I
people
know.
tell me I have a bunch of hair on my head. You think I believe it?
Oh, I know,
I
I know.
believe it. I believe it.
You ain't got no damn hair on your head.
Good job, Mr. Freeze. I'm
Thank
proud
you.
of
I've been
you.
working hard, man, to
That's
be
great.
honest, so.
Really, I'm really proud of you. That's all you got.
Hard.
It is. I know it's hard. You take it one day at a time, And, when you get the urge, do you have a sponsor?
Yes, sir.
Great. That's fantastic. Reach out to your sponsor. If you ever have a craving and you can't get a hold of your sponsor, reach out to me. I'll talk to you. I'll give you my phone number, not my personal phone, but I'll give you the court number. And if you're here, I'll talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Hold on a second. Is it 3214 for here?
It's 8675309.
Shish.
It's 3,200, Judge.
No, it's not. 3200 is like the general number. You get not, isn't that? You don't get anything. at
That's our
3200.
main number.
It's 8340.
No.
If you ever have the itch, call me.
Yes, sir.
I'll talk to you if you can't get a hold of your sponsor,
Sure.
but you take it one day at a time because it's gonna happen. You're gonna get the itch.
Yeah, for sure, I do, so, yes, sir.
We all do. We all get, have something that happens in our life that wants to take us over the edge. But the idea is you don't let it take over because how many times have you been in and out of jail?
A lot, and for a while, it did take over there for a minute, so like I worked really hard to and not be doing drugs, so it's a huge accomplishment for me, because I don't know, I'll just be open, I was injecting drugs, it's hard to get off that. When they say it only takes one time, they're not joking, it only takes one time, so I don't know, it's a pretty big accomplishment for me, that's why I'm emotional, so
Out
sorry.
of you.
Yeah,
Really, that's a great job. I know how hard it is, especially, I don't want to get too deep into the conversation. I know.
yes, sir.
And I'm proud of you and you're doing a good job and just keep it up. And the next time you ever, just call me.
Yes, sir.
I'm happy to talk to you anytime, you know?
Yes, sir.
It's in the front.
This is the phone number. Okay, if you can mind giving that to him. Carl, so for now, we've got him set. I'm not gonna set you off for Monday. There's no need to, right?
Yes, sir.
So. But, so I don't even, so he's on probation, right?
Yes, sir.
Where are we doing, what are we doing with the probation?
It looks like he was enrolled in SATF. He was supposed to do aftercare, but because of him going to the other county. he
Okay,
wasn't
can we
able to
start
do it.
aftercare now?
He has to be like reinstated and all of that stuff.
I'll do it
But
now.
I can go.
I'll reinstate him right now.
Because they need to be here to.
Oh, damn it.
Does that mean I have to go back to
But I
WIMAC?
can give
No.
him-
Okay, good.
No.
Okay.
I'll give
Doing
him-
this on the outside, so you can remain, live your life, just stay clean.
Yes, sir.
If you can stay clean, we'll keep you in aftercare. It's on the outside, right? Yeah,
Okay, yes, sir.
okay, so let's do this.
I'll give him the referrals to the IOP and all that stuff so he can get started and then.
Vic, let's put it on for Monday. Carl, I let go all the prosecutors, so we don't have anyone here now to be able to get everything done. I'll put it on for Monday. I'll waive his appearance. I'm gonna reinstate him for his probation. We'll get him
Okay.
started in the aftercare. That way he can just continue doing what he's doing.
Right. Okay, we'll just, he doesn't have to be there Monday. We'll
No,
just,
I'll
do the
wait.
reinstatement.
For him
Okay.
to sign all the
Cool.
legal conditions
Hold on.
and stuff, he may need to be here, unless I sign it.
Can
now,
we
he'll
do-
Process it later, I don't know.
Can we do it now and just have him sign now?
That's okay. with you? Yeah.
And then I'll sign it now and we'll wait for the state to sign it Monday? Is that okay?
That works for me. That's okay with me.
The state only needs father, all
Huh?
they need to do is father Nolly.
Right.
They
Yeah.
don't need the state signature on anything
What,
else.
does he have other classes that he has to do still? Like, I'm
Double
sure,
check, But I think it was just IOP and SOP.
no anti-theft?
To be honest with you,
Do you have any felony convictions now?
just one. Yes, sir.
You got to understand that now you pick up another felony, you could be looking at it. I mean, with all the theft convictions, you could be looking at 2 to 10 in the penitentiary.
Yes, sir. So that's the reason that's the reason I'm showing up today is because the person said, I'm trying to go to electrical school. My dad's a master electrician, so, and
Oh,
I
no.
can't get my ID I don't have my ID, and of course I had a warrant, so I came here trying to take care of everything so I can move forward.
Here to help.
Yes, sir.
I'll help you as much as I can. All you got to do is stay clean for me.
Yes, sir.
Don't pick up any new theft case.
Yes, sir.
As long
can
as you
do
do that, your money.
I can do that.
He has to do effective decision making, anti-theft, and then SOP.
How much time does he have left before he expires?
Oh, wait. June 2nd, 2025.
So we got time. Okay, all right. So we'll have you sign the amended conditions now.
Yes, sir.
We got to wait for the state to do their part. And then after that, we'll just keep you on and just
Yes,
make
sir.
us proud. That's
Sounds
all we're
good.
asking.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Freeze.
Yes, sir.
And we keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We tryna catch out like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss.